In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Canon R100 to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly connect this particular model of camera from Canon to Wi-Fi, or if you have any other model, you can also follow these same steps. So to start, the main way to connect your camera and manage it to use all of the features is going to be through the Canon Connect application. So go into the Play Store or the App Store and look for Canon Camera Connect. You will need this application to remotely control your camera, import images, and so on. When you download the application and you open it up for the first time, you will see this message, register your camera. So tap this icon at the top left corner of the screen and you will see a bunch of models available for you to connect. You have to choose the R100. So when you choose the R100 as the model that you will be connecting, you will see the main connection options. Primarily Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Assuming that you want to use Wi-Fi specifically, choose it here. But keep in mind that Bluetooth also works, it is recommended, and it can actually be slightly simpler. If you want to use Wi-Fi, immediately upon choosing this option, they are going to give you a network here. And basically, the way that Wi-Fi functions is that the Canon camera will create a Wi-Fi network that you should connect into. So now on the camera itself, go to the wireless category, choose Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connection, connect to smartphone, and then add a device to connect to. If you still don't have the application, they can give you a QR code to download it. But if you download it at the start of the video, just choose Do Not Display and move on. Now, select the option Connect via Wi-Fi. Bluetooth is also available if you go up instead. When you choose Connect via Wi-Fi, like I said, they will create a Wi-Fi network. They will give you an ID and a password that you have to use. So now, choose that specific network when you go to the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, and you can connect into it. Upon connecting into this network, you will see the smartphone displayed here. You will be able to customize what images get transferred over, choose OK, and if you go into the app, all of the features will be unlocked. The connected network will be available here for you to double check, and you will have access to the options to import images, utilize images in the cloud, remote live view shooting, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Canon R100 to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.